A broken bridge. Kittens stare in disbelief. How will they cross? Suddenly, a mouse appears. I can help. The kittens look skeptical. Can a tiny mouse really assist? Together, they strategize. But wait. A bird swoops in. I've got a bird's eye view. The kittens gasp. Two unlikely friends unite. With teamwork, they start to bridge the gaps. The kittens leap, the mouse scurries, and the bird guides. Twists and turns, laughter and fear. They face the raging river below. Finally, the last jump. They land safely together. Cheers erupt. Incredible teamwork conquers fear. Could you ever imagine a mouse, a bird, and kittens working side by side?